Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily go over and use 80 watts turbo power charging and battery protection on your Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what you guys want to do is connect into the turbo power charging charger. So we will be using the 80 watts turbo power charging, and of course I do not have the original cable, but I do have a really good third-party one, so let's just plug it in. So I have it right here. Now let's go over and plug it in. As you guys can see, turbo power is connected, and turbo power charger gives you hours of power in just minutes. So since it charges quickly, your phone may feel warmer while it's plugged in. We're gonna click OK, and as you guys can see, we are turbo charging it now. And let's talk about the battery protection. So we want to open up the settings. In the settings, we want to go to the battery. So we want to go right here. And as you guys can see, we have the battery protection and also charging rapidly, so everything works just fine. Here we can use it, and we can first we can let AI learn from our pattern and learn from our schedule. So the phone will stop at 80%, and it will basically end 1 hour before you unplug it. So if you have a consistent charging schedule, just like it's mentioned here at the bottom, then whenever you wake up, for example, when you wake up at 6, your phone will be ready at 5. It will just go there slowly, so your battery can be healthy. Also, you can set the manual schedule, and you can go over here. You can let the specific hours to limit the charging. So for example, start time 22 and end time 10. And also always you can limit your charging to 80% on all times. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.